guys, today we'll be making a slime, but not just any slime, a glow-in-the-dark slime. Okay, so to start off, we're gonna get a bowl and a spoon. Now, well, today is gonna be a very short recipe. We're only gonna be needing glue, an activator. So now we're gonna use two types of glue. We're gonna use the glow-in-the-dark glue, and we're gonna use this glue. So now we're gonna fill it up all the way like to the bottom of the bowl. We're gonna be needing a lot of glue if you wanted to make a big slime like this. Okay, now we're gonna get our other glue and we're gonna put it inside. Okay, now our last material is activator. We're gonna pour it all inside. We're gonna use like 1 teaspoon. Now we mix. You keep mixing until it's like very hard to mix. Yeah, so like now when it comes all slipperier, that's when you know when to use your hands. It's gonna be sticky, but the more you mix, the more it will become less sticky. You can add more of glue if you want, or more of activator. So right now I'm gonna put some activator. So as you can see, it's very sticky right now. Now we're gonna put some activator to make it less sticky. The activator is gonna put it like very well. Mix it very well until it becomes slime. See, you can already see it getting less stickier. It's already becoming slimier. That means the activator did a good job. Now you can like smush it or mix it. Now we're gonna adding more. If it turns like all crumbly, that's when you know to put more slime. You can choose whatever more slime to put. You can choose to add more glow in the dark, or you can choose to put the regular glue. It's your choice. So what I'm gonna do right now is I'm gonna take my regular glue and I'm gonna put it in. You could use the whole bottle if you want. Now it's getting way better than the last time. So as you can see, it's already starting to unstick. And there you have it, your very own blue slime. Sometimes it may feel like a cloud is touching you. That's why I love slime so much. You could add a scent or glitter to it, but today I'm going to be adding glitter. So you could do it like this. You could take another bowl and you're going to take, first you're going to wash your hands, and then now you're going to take your glitter. I have a lot to choose from. So comment below which one I should do. But for the next time. But for now, since mine is blue, I think I'm gonna go with blue glitter. So yeah. Now you can add a little or a lot, whatever you feel like. Now, you're not going to touch the glitter, you're going to put it over and take it over and over until like it's a little pie. Now you're going to mix it. So the glitter is all in there and it doesn't make like, see the glitter right there? Now we want that to be everywhere. So now you're going to mix it. You can add more glitter if you want, or you can add less. If you want, you can even add charms in it, or you can add dye instead of colored glue. But today we're going to putting charms and beads. So these are my beads. I'm gonna be adding like one big bead. But first we're gonna be mixing it more until we have the glitter everywhere inside the glitter. Like literally everywhere. So now you can see it's getting way glitterier than the last time. Now we're gonna grab our beads and we're gonna put like just like 3 beads. there you go. Your very own homemade slime that only takes two things: activator and glue. So this is a very cute slime. You can add like another batch, like just plain, or you can make a glitterier one, or you can even make a tiny little white one. So that's probably it. Bye guys.